Are you kidding me? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my new shoes and yeah, that's it. So I got these from ASOS because these shoes in this size was literally sold out everywhere. And ASOS is literally great. It's literally amazing. Whenever I can't find a shoe, I just go on their website and they have it all the time. So I love them. Look, this is the package that came in. You can just literally put your hand in it. I'll just open it in my hand. Oh my god, you guys. Okay. So this is the first one, and this is the other one. Look at them, they're all two different sizes because I got size 8. Are you kidding me? I got the totally wrong sizes. Oh my god. So it comes like this. Obviously the shoes are covered, but oh my god. You guys, if you know me, you know I've been obsessed with orange shoes lately so much. Like I literally love them so much. These came out in the summer and I've been wanting them ever since. So yeah, these are the orange ones. They look so clean and nice, bro. Let me open the other ones. I'm sure these are not gonna fit me. Can't believe I got the wrong size. Oh my god, these are humongous. Are you kidding me? What the heck did I do? Compare it to my actual size? Like, these are huge. These are huge. I can't believe I did this. Oh my god. These are size 11 in women's. I thought it said like size 9 in women, but these are size 11. Oh my god. Can't believe I did this. But like, I wore blue today so I can match it, but they don't even match. Like, this is honestly so sad. Because I can't find these anywhere now. If I return them, probably can't even find them anywhere. Yeah, I guess I can actually unbox this one because I'll actually use this one. So you guys, I'll try these on and show you guys like how they feel and stuff, and I'll be back. So you guys, when I first put these shoes on, they're like very, very firm, but I feel like they're really good material, and I definitely love the style of the 1 star because like, I don't know, I just really like it. So the color orange is definitely not my favorite color, but I do like it a lot. It's, I don't know, it's such a good color. I love it. So, are these worth $85? I don't have that kind of money to spend on 2 shoes. So 85 plus 85 is 60, 170. So I don't have that kind of money to spend 170 on 2 pairs of shoes. I got these on sale, of course, and they, both of them, were less than 85. So, I mean, if I did have that kind of money, yes, these are definitely worth 85, but I don't. So for me to spend all of my money on this, definitely not, but I didn't spend all my money on this, which is good. So that's all I have to say. If you guys want to get these shoes, I'll leave the link for these down below. They don't have this size anymore, but they do have other sizes, and I can link other websites so you guys can check out all those. And yeah, cool. The only bad thing about these shoes is that they're suede. So I have to get like a spray or something to keep them clean. And I wanted the orange ones, so that's really what matters. Like, I wanted the orange one way more than I wanted the blue ones. So, yeah, guys. Peace out. Bye. I hope you guys liked the video. If you don't like it, then you don't like it. If you like it, then you like it. Bye.